What does a simple but effective Amazon PPC ad strategy look like for most products? It really depends on your goal and what do you want to achieve. Simple and effective can mean that you want to lower your costs when it comes down to advertising. It can also mean that you want to make more sales with better ads and increase your ad budget. So when it comes down to simple but effective strategy, allow me to give feedback on both of those. For the first one, when you want to get profitable sales or make sure you're going to get cheaper sales, an effective PPC strategy is going to be lowering your bids as much as you're not going to lose any more revenue and you're not going to lose the placement that converted for you. That's simple and effective and it works always. If you want to scale, always dedicate enough spend and enough budget to things that work. It might seem simple, but what we're seeing on our end, especially whenever we are creating new campaigns and trying to scale an account, is that most of the time it's very, very easy to lose where does money come from as well. Because what can happen is that you might be spending a lot of money on things that did not work and you're just feeding those, and the things that work and you should be allocating additional budget to, you don't. So those two would be my simple but super effective tips.